Nice to meet you. In this video, I will explain in a very easy way how to create an account using the app on the Binance exchange, which many people are using, and also how to set up security. Then let's get started right away. First, I will explain how to create a Binance account. First of all, we need to install the Binance app. Please go to the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device, and search for the Binance app in the search bar and install it. Once the installation is complete, please run the app. When you run the app, you will see the Sign Up button. Press this button and we will create an account. A Binance account can be created using either an email address or a mobile number. Please choose the method that is convenient for you and enter it. Check the agreement box below, and press the Continue button. Then a verification code will be sent to the email address or mobile number you entered. And please check the verification code and enter it. Next, create a password. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a number, and it must be at least 8 characters long. For security, it is recommended that you set a difficult and complex password. Next is the inviter registration step. This step is very important. If you do not register the inviter now, it will not be possible to register it later, so you must register it at this step. Please make sure to press the Yes button. Then a referral ID input field will appear. In the referral ID input field here, please enter BB333. If you enter this code, you will receive a lifetime 20% trading fee discount on Binance and various bonus benefits, so it is recommended that you enter it and then create your account. Second, I will explain the KYC verification method. In order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you must complete the KYC verification. First, please select your country of residence, and then proceed with identity verification. From the various document type list below, please select the ID you want to use for verification. This time, we will choose a passport. If your ID is ready, please press Take Pictures. When the camera capture screen appears, place the passport information page inside the frame displayed on the screen, and take a clear photo without any light reflection. Next, the facial verification step will proceed. Place your face inside the frame displayed on the screen, and perform the action of nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Then the KYC verification application will be successfully completed. The KYC verification review will be completed within about 1 hour. And after a while, when the review is completed, the account status will change to verified. When this happens, the KYC verification has been successfully completed. Third, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator. In order to protect your Binance account more safely, it is strongly recommended that you set up account security. First, please go back to the Binance home screen. Press the Binance icon at the top left, and press the arrow at the top right. Select the security menu to set up security. This time, we will set up account security with Google Authenticator, which has the strongest security. Press the Enable button below. A verification code will be sent to your email address or mobile number, and please enter the verification code that was sent. Once verification is complete, you will move to the Authenticator link screen. Here you can check Binance's 16-digit key. Please copy this 16-digit key. Now please install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, run the app. Then press the plus button at the bottom right, and select the Enter a Setup Key option. For code name, please enter Binance. And for your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from the Binance app. Then press the Add button below. Then the Binance account will be registered in the Google Authenticator app, and a 6-digit code will be generated. Please note that this 6-digit code changes every 60 seconds. Now copy this 6-digit code, and go back to the Binance app. Then press the Next button. Finally, if you paste the 6-digit code copied from the Google Authenticator app into the Authenticator app code input field, the Google Authenticator setup will be successfully completed. In this video, we explained in a very easy way how to create an account using the app on the Binance exchange, and how to set up security. If you get stuck during the process or have any questions, please leave a comment anytime. If the video was helpful, Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Then I will see you in the next video with more useful information. Thank you for watching.